welcome back to Latoya Designs and Decor. So today I am doing a small DIY basket, something to place on my dining room table. I'm always switching things up on this table or just in the house in general, but I thought this piece, when I seen it at the Goodwill, was just perfect to place on my table for now. So when I purchased this basket, it had like this sunflower bouquet inside this wooden basket, which isn't my style. So of course I had to put my own spin on it, guys. So let's get into the DIY. So this is the basket that I purchased from another Goodwill. It's a nice basket, nice size basket, but I wasn't a fan of the flower bouquet inside of it going across. So that in between me going with colors or not, I couldn't decide. And yes, I got it for $5. So it was between a blue or... So I had to go around the basket, and it was some little wood pieces that were lifting up. So I used my hot glue gun to go around it just to make sure that there were no broken pieces poking out. And it was probably about 2 that came out, which wasn't a problem because my hot glue took care of it. But as you can tell, like the inside of this basket was like really messed up, but my focus point really wasn't the inside of the basket. It was more so the outside of the basket. And this is the inside, how it looks. Ugh. So this is where you can tell someone tried to paint or distress. And so I'm just going I'm just going one by one on the wood chips, and I'm just painting. I'm going in a row, and like I said, I painted it probably twice so that I can get the look that I was trying to achieve. Wooden pieces here, just going around the complete. I don't know if you can see it from the light. Just going around it. I have done that side, but just doing one. So when you're using a black paint, just use a little and make sure your brush is actually dry to go around it. And you just want to just swipe it across. There's no particular pattern because I didn't want a lot. And then I started to use my sandpaper to give it that extra distressed look. And then I started to style the basket. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, for this basket, it's not only, you can not only use for a dining room table, you can use it throughout the house or at a formal event such as a wedding. I think it'll be beautiful at a wedding actually because of the roses and the candle, just the ambiance of the entire centerpiece in general, guys. So if you want to see more of that, just don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I hope you become part of the family, guys. See you. Bye.